back to my channel. So for today's video, wow, sorry guys, we are going to be reviewing First Aid Beauty, the Mighty Marvels kit. I got this on December 26th of 2017, so it's been about a month that I've been trying these products, and so I thought it was about time that I give you guys a review. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video. So before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I checked on the Sephora website and the First Aid Beauty website. The Mighty Marvels kit is no longer for sale, I think. I don't know, it says out of stock on the Sephora website, so maybe it'll come back, and I couldn't find it at all on the First Aid Beauty website. I think that these kind of kits come back and forth, you know, throughout the months, so if you really want this kit, I think you can just probably wait and you'll find it soon enough. Or I'm sure they have like similar ones for sale as well. So in the kit, you have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin. It is allergy tested and fragrance free. You also get the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, Fab Antioxidant Booster, remove surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, safe for sensitive skin, as well as allergy tested and fragrance free. So when you purchase this kit of the cleanser and the moisturizer, both are 2 ounces each. When I look at like the shape of these, they kind of look like a hand cream more than like a full-size cleanser or moisturizer, but it's like a pretty good size. And so this kit was $15 for both of these, and you also got a sample of the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin, as well as allergy tested and no artificial fragrance. So I have been meaning to try First Aid Beauty now for quite some time. I don't know why I kept hesitating. A few months ago I went into Sephora and I was just like kind of playing around with the First Aid Beauty products at the store, and I smelled the Ultra Repair Cream, and it smelled so strong and so bad. I was like, ugh, I don't want that on my face. But now looking back, I'm quite certain that the tester there was just off from, you know, being exposed for so long, because the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream doesn't have like a really much of a scent. It has like, I would say the smell reminds me of something medicinal. Like if you think of something that like the pharmacist would recommend for like really dry skin, this is kind of that kind of scent. Like it doesn't really, it's not perfume, it doesn't smell floral or fruity, it just kind of smells like medicinal. I think that's the best way I can describe it. So it comes out in a white cream. And it also says that you can apply as needed from head to toe throughout the day. I kind of did this, I didn't do head to toe, but I did apply this on my face morning and night, and then I would also just kind of spot treat during the day when I had like irritation, because during the holidays it was really cold here in Montreal. It was like -30 for like 3 weeks, so my skin, you know, kind of went crazy. I did a nighttime skincare routine. If you guys want to watch that, the link somewhere here. I kind of touched on that a little bit. So what I would do is I would apply this morning and night, and then during the day I would just kind of like spot treat wherever I had like really dry, irritated, parched skin, and it definitely helped a lot. My skin is still a little bit dry around my nose, like a little bit flaky, but it's much, much better. I don't know why I waited so long to try this Ultra Repair face cream, but it is really, really good. I am so happy that I got this kit. I will definitely be repurchasing this. I think this is like a great cream to keep on hand if you have like super dry, super irritated, like red, sensitive, just like going crazy because of the weather. Give this a try. It's totally worth it. Even if you don't get like, this kit was like a discovery kit, so I had like a moisturizer, the cleanser, and like a little bit of a primer for $15. But like I mentioned, this kit is no, like the Mighty Marvels kit is no longer available for sale on the Sephora.ca website, but I'm certain they have a similar kits for sale, or you could just like bite the bullet and get like maybe the small size of the moisturizer, or better yet, ask for a sample at the Sephora. I'm sure they'll give you a sample. I don't know if you guys have ever used that cream called Pseudo Cream or Pseudocreme. Like it comes in a tub, it's gray. You get it in the pharmacy, and it's meant for like irritated, like babies with irritated like diaper rash. But I've seen adults use it for really irritated skin. The texture of this kind of reminds me of Pseudocreme. I haven't used Pseudocreme in quite some time, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. I remember I had a friend, Anne-Marie, and she always had a tub of Pseudocreme with her because she also had like a lot of irritated dry skin, and she would just take that before nighttime and just put it on her face, and it helped just, you know, clear up the redness and get rid of the irritation. And it's been a few years since I've actually like touched Pseudocreme or Pseudocreme, but that's what it reminds me of. So I don't know, I haven't like compared the ingredients list, but that would be interesting to see. I really like this moisturizer. I think it's amazing. I will be repurchasing it, and I think if you have dry, irritated skin, definitely give this a try. The only downside for me is that it doesn't have a nice sort of floral or perfumey scent. But I realized that in order for skincare to be really good and effective, sometimes you just need to have a lack of perfume and alcohol, because generally that just tends to like dry out and irritate your skin. So I just need to be less bougie and just get a cream that just works, like, period, and worry about adding perfume to, like, you know, my outfit and not my skincare. So next up in the kit is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. It removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, safe for sensitive skin. This is also 2.0 ounces. This is allergy tested and fragrance free. So the cleanser has absolutely no smell, like there's no medicinal smell or whatever. It's just like, there's no fragrance whatsoever. Whenever I clean my face at night, I always do a double cleanse method. So I use a makeup removing oil and then I use an actual cleanser. So it does lather up a little bit, but not like too much. And I've noticed that when products like a face cleanser lathers up a lot, it really just irritates and dries the skin a lot more. And this didn't really have much of a lather. It just helped clean my skin off and just kind of get rid of everything else. So just in case you guys didn't know, I have normal to dry skin. Obviously with the winter it's very dry. So when I wash my face, the like 10 seconds that it takes me to pat dry my face, get a cotton round, and put toner on my face, I almost always have a second of just like, not dryness, but I feel like my skin is telling me put something on me, and that's always normal for me no matter what cleanser I use. Some are much worse than others, but this one was pretty normal. Like as far as tightness or anything like that, there was no exaggerated tightness or dryness or irritation. It just worked very well as a cleanser. I didn't try this on its own to remove makeup because in my opinion one cleanser isn't enough. I always double cleanse, so I didn't bother using this as a makeup remover alone. If you're someone who is like very sensitive to smells and perfumes in cosmetics, I would say maybe try to get your hand on this kit or maybe some samples and give it a try, because there's really like no perfume added and the scents that are there are kind of just like the ones that are like in the active ingredients. So maybe give it a try. So the last item in the kit is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So this is allergy tested and has no artificial fragrance. So this is the primer that I'm using today under my makeup. So even though this moisturizing primer has coconut in it and talks about coconut on the name, it doesn't really have a coconut smell, because I feel like a lot of primers right now have coconut infused in them, etc., and they kind of have a coconut scent. This really doesn't have any scent whatsoever. It has a little bit of a color, more just like, it kind of gives like a nice little glow to the skin. I would argue that you could probably wear this on its own. Like if you wanted like super light, super natural makeup, you could probably just like put this on your skin and a mascara and like that would pass for something. It's nowhere near a tinted primer. I would just say that it has a little bit of glow to it. Overall, I quite liked this, and I'm honestly quite surprised with how much product is in here, because this is like 0.34 ounces and I've used quite a bit of it, but there just seems to be a lot of product in here. And so this is a moisturizing primer. It's there to help moisturize and hydrate your skin before you put on your makeup, so you have like less dry patches. So this, like all moisturizing or hydrating primers, like all radiance boosting primers, they help with the appearance of your skin before you put on your makeup, but they don't necessarily help your makeup last all day. So I always finish my makeup off with a setting spray, just letting you guys know. So if you guys are purchasing this and thinking that it's going to help your makeup last 12 hours, that's not the case. And I mean, on the product itself, it has no claims of long-lasting, long-wear makeup. It just talks about intense hydration for sensitive skin. So overall, I am very happy with this purchase. I was in desperate need of some skincare SOS, and this really came to the rescue. This really performed. I don't know why I waited so long to try it, but I'm really glad I did. I really do think that the Ultra Repair Cream is something that will stay with me indefinitely. So on the bottle here for the Ultra Repair Cream, it says it is good for 18 months after it is opened. So I could see this being an item that I keep repurchasing and I use especially like during the harsh winter months, and then kind of forget about during the, you know, spring, summer, autumn, and then go back and use during the winter months again. Since this is good for 1.5 years, I can do this, which is pretty cool. And also just to mention, I have gone through a lot more of the Ultra Repair Cream than I have of the cleanser, mostly because the cleanser doesn't take that much to be effective. And like I mentioned, my skin was so dry and irritated that I kind of went a little bit crazy. I was like every couple of hours just like applying and applying and applying just to like make sure everything cleared up. I would say this has like at least a third, if not half, still full. And this is more than half full. Like there's still a lot of products left. Well, there you guys go. I think that's all I have for you guys for today. That is my review of the First Aid Beauty Mighty Marvels kit. I was really pleasantly surprised. I guess, I don't know why I hesitated so long to try these products. I think part of it was that I was just trying to be bougie and trying to get like lovely scented products for my skin. But to be honest, when it comes to skincare, I think the less perfume, the less alcohol involved, probably better for your skin. I think this is going to stay with me indefinitely because it's just honestly a really lifesaver. So the face cleanser is also really good. I've been using the Ole Henriksen cleanser as well. I think they both perform really well. Maybe I'll compare the prices and see which one is cheaper and maybe repurchase that, or maybe I will try a different cleanser altogether for dry skin. I think it is a good cleanser. I don't think it's like the best cleanser in the world. It didn't change my life. The product that changed my life is the Ultra Repair Cream. This is 100% worth the hype in my opinion. And the Coconut Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, I think this is definitely worth a try, especially if you have super dry, sensitive skin. I think this is worth a try for you. I think all of these products are worth it, but like I mentioned, the #1 product is the Ultra Repair Cream, 100% worth all the hype. So there you guys go. That's all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys found this helpful and insightful. If you guys have tried First Aid Beauty, let me know what you guys think. Have you tried any of these products? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Let us know down in the comments. So like I told you before, I will have other reviews coming up of skincare. I will have a Peter Thomas Roth one coming up in the next few weeks, probably about a month, because you know, you need to try them out for a little bit. And then I think I'll also have a review of some products from Too Faced, part of their, like, what do they call it, like hangover collection. Those will also be coming up soon. And also on Friday, I will be talking about Tarte Cosmetics and the whole mess that is the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. So stay tuned for that on a Friday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my videos. It really means a lot to me that you take your time to watch my videos. It really, really does. So I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. It's halfway through the week. Isn't that exciting? I hope you guys are having a good day, morning, night, evening, whatever time you're watching this. And I think that's all I have for you guys for today. So thank you guys for stopping by. And before we go, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. So that's all I have for you guys for today, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.